Want to pair your Android with a Bluetooth device like a speaker or headphones? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to pair Bluetooth devices with your Android smartphone. Now let's get started. To begin, open your Android device's settings. Then select Connections. Tap Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. If it's not, tap the switch in the top right corner to enable it. Now make sure the Bluetooth device you're trying to connect is powered on and discoverable. Some devices will have a button or instructions on how to put it into pairing mode so that it can be paired with a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Check the instructions that came with your device to find out how to do this. Once you've done so, you should see your Bluetooth headset or speaker show up in the list of Bluetooth devices on your screen. If you don't see it, try tapping Scan in the top right corner. Then tap the Bluetooth device's name to pair it with your Android. At the bottom, tap Pair. Now you can use your Bluetooth device with your Android. If you've paired headphones or a speaker, your Android's audio should be coming through there now. Once you've paired your Bluetooth device once, next time you want to use it, you can simply turn it on and tap the name of the device in your Android's Bluetooth settings to connect it again. That's all it takes to pair Bluetooth devices with your Android smartphone. For more helpful Android tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Android tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.